Precision, efficiency, and reliability are essential in the fast-paced tire manufacturing world. The system comprises specialized lighting, high-resolution cameras, and advanced sensors. The sensor detects the tire's presence and starts taking photos of the dot code. The result is immediately processed. This machine is powered by OCR technology and is based on deep learning. It ensures accurate and consistent dot code reading without stopping the line. The system can work even in conveyor vibrations or misaligned tires. This solution is adaptable to all tire models, ensuring complete flexibility for your production needs. With immediate feedback displayed on screens, operators are instantly informed of results. Additionally, all data is securely stored, offering full traceability. Are you ready to make your plant smart?